Meet Pandora. Pandora is a female tiger who arrived at the Wildcat Sanctuary in 2016 at the age of 13. Pandora came from a notorious speed-breeding pay-to-play facility. When she was a cub, the general public could play and take pictures with her for a price. When an agreement was reached for the facility to close, nearly 100 wild animals needed a home. The Wildcat Sanctuary agreed to offer a home to 4 of those tigers, which included Pandora and nephews, Zeke, Dimitri, and Griffin. Pandora arrived at the Wildcat Sanctuary a gentle girl, but still a little cautious of her open space. Spending 12 years at one facility and moving can be a little intimidating. But each day, Pandora would become more and more comfortable. She began exploring her habitat, climbing to her highest perch, exploring new areas, and would even come up to the fence to chuff at caretakers passing by. Pandora is one of the happiest, friendliest tigers now, enjoying her newfound life, living wild at heart as she always deserved.